welcome. So this is gonna be a little installation video of the SW-Motech frame slider. Look how beautiful this thing is. It's very beautiful, man. Can't wait to install it and show you guys what it look like onto the bike. So these are the tools you need. Need a torque wrench, need an Allen key. You also need this socket to remove the bolt from the engine. This one is different. This come with Allen key. You also need a Loctite and the manual with the torque spec and how to put it together. So this is what you need. So first you gotta remove this bolt from the engine. So you gotta do this one at a time. Okay, your engine may shift, so you do this one at a time. Okay. You put some Loctite onto the bolt. The long bolt go on this side, on the left side of the motorcycle. You will see it in the instruction manual, so make sure. You're also gonna need to line this up where you want it. You just snug up the bolt and then you're gonna torque it after. So this is my torque wrench I'm gonna use setup. You also need this paper with they tell you the Newton meter. It's like 46 Newton meter. Okay. To line this up the way you want it and then tighten it. Okay. So you're gonna need to put this onto that. I'm gonna install it and then come right back to you. Okay. So that's what it look like when you install it. So also the plate gonna need to go there. Where the plate goes. SW-Motech into the Bmw S1000rr. Okay, so that's the finished product. That's what it looked like. That's how much it goes out from the engine. Look at that, it's very beautiful. Just sit right in line with the original indicator. So if you do like this video, you can hit the thumbs up button, and if you have not yet subscribed, you can subscribe for more video.